Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down on the sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel.
Turn left onto South Autosteer Road.
We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack. If you're liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps in this insane YouTube algorithm, and I greatly appreciate it. And yes, I'm trying to rush my...
Now turn right onto West
because of that.
Road.
Actually, I probably should just turn it off. I know this area enough.
What were you wanting it for?
It was helpful when I was doing the guest drives in like other areas.
Yeah.
But I was thinking it might be more helpful for the other two drives that we try to do on these days. Because I don't know those as well. Like, I don't know when we get up into the neighborhood up here, when we turn, if that makes sense.
Maybe you just wait to do
Maybe I just wait to do my introduction till here.
That's what I was going to say. This is the first time we've done it with her, so you don't really know.
That's true.
Rather than getting, like, flustered. You know what I mean?
I didn't get flustered. I was just trying to make...
Oh, I know. Sounding flustered. That's the better word. Rushed. I think maybe that's the more precise word.
It was a quick pace, yes.
Yeah. This brought to you by, okay.
Now to the roundabout and take the second exit.
Which means stay in the right lane.
Fool me once. Shame on me.
No kidding.
Fool me twice. Can't get fooled again. Oh, you're gonna block me. Oh, jackass.
It's clear.
I said a naughty word. See, there are reasons why I like, because I live my life in the short world, that I like to live in the tall world when I drive.
Oh, hence like SUV sit-up style kind of.
Yes, so I can block other people and be like, how does it feel to be short? So I feel tall just for a little bit.
If only for 1 minute.
Yep. So because we had all that snowfall and the snow is all melted, I definitely don't want to be driving in the center lane more than I have to be.
Yes.
And the shoulder.
That too.
That was more explaining it for your audience.
Yeah, because we know that version 11 tries to turn into the lane way too soon.
Usually right about here.
So 1,000 feet.
And
we can see it up there. It would have gotten into the lane here way too soon. Most human drivers do it where Doggone Sci-Fi is going to do it, right about here.
Now turn left onto Rachel Road.
And then we'll do a nice swing turn this way.
That uncertainty of, oh no, I turned too soon.
Right.
That winter sun, it gets dark so early.
I'm actually starting to think that you were right. We should have done these backwards.
I've been right a lot lately.
Well, you should have had a good reason for why you wanted to do them backwards, other than...
I don't always know why I'm right. I just sense that I'm right.
Wow.
I don't know. I've lived here my whole life. Like, you just at some point you're like, I just know this. I just know it to be fact. We could go do the other ones backwards, though. Like, you know what I mean?
Well, the other two drives are the appropriate drives to do backwards on, like, the way we do them is the right way.
Oh, okay.
That's what I was saying, because the sun, you're heading into the sun.
Yeah.
If we were doing these the opposite direction, they'd look pretty cool.
And into drip. I didn't mess up the editing trip.
This is the one that always gets me, is this turn up here.
Mm-hmm.
That's the only reason that I was having the navigation lady on. But everything else I know where we're going, so we might as well just turn that off so that it doesn't drive me nuts for the rest of the day, if you don't mind.
I don't know how to turn it off.
It's in settings. It's in the, no. On the
Let's
map.
just do this. Wait, we're almost there.
Yeah, on the map, it's the 3 dots next to end trip. That pulls up in the settings page for your navigation. And then you just mute the speaker.
Okay, I think I did it.
Yep.
Sorry, I'm just trying to pay attention. It doesn't drive too far. And then
I got you. Hey, they must have filled in the pothole because we didn't have to disengage.
pothole isn't up until.
Oh.
First, we take this left. Whoa. Sorry.
Yeah, they took that really wide.
I saw a big old pothole. I can't see. Okay. See, these are moments when FSD is definitely super helpful when the sun's shining in your eyes. And you can't
Oh,
see.
yeah. And the fact that the cameras can? Definitely.
All right, there's our pothole of infamy. See, it's growing. I feel like they just put out gravel out here.
Mm-hmm. They were like, good enough.
All right, we got a human. Give way. Not going to give as much way.
That's how much way we want it to give. And unfortunately, it yells at us for crossing over the line. But you can see it's completely safe to do so.
Here in the small town.
Yeah, here in the little urban fucking town.
Language, sir.
Oh, I'm sorry.
We've talked about that, though, that for FSD, I think to fully go out to the fleet, it needs to be adaptable
Perfect.
to the environment that it's in.
It needs to be perfect.
Well, not just perfect, but adaptable, right?
Yeah.
Because I agree, like, if you're in a major city, you usually do have to be slightly more aggressive to fit in with traffic,
Mhm.
right? I'm not going to let it dip into this, because that's... No.
But I think good drivers in general are capable of adapting to their environments of which they're driving in.
Yeah. But for it to be driving like a human, it's got to do that. It's got to adapt,
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
change as its environment changes. Because you can see it. There's no clear sidewalk for our people to walk here.
No.
But it is a family environment, so you're gonna have walkers. You're gonna have small children and dogs and things like that.
You should yield to pedestrians.
So we have another one.
And this one's not doing it either.
Not even a little.
Not even a little bit. Was it just going to blow right by him?
Well, it probably would have slammed on the brake, let's be honest, because I had to put my foot on it.
Yeah.
Which slamming on the brakes is not really a...
Natural thing either.
You're not like, oh no. Although that's how freshmen drive.
True.
It is gorgeous up here, though.
It is very pretty up here. Pretty day.
That's a creeper van, that is. I feel like if I had to drive a white van like that all the time, I'd be like, I would put it like a bumper sticker, not a creeper. I do not have candy. I do not have puppies. Leave me alone. Dirt bike riders. Interesting. Whee.
Takes a village.
Mm.
Here, let me try something here. Rather than chase you like that, we're just going to do a nice pan and push over. Yeah, that worked way better.
This is a good indication of this side of the hill does not get afternoon sunlight.
No, it does not. We've said that before, though, about this area.
We have. Oh, there's humans. I can't hit them yet. But when Skynet takes over.
But when Optimus gets out there, oh, I'll know how to.
And let's be honest, Optimus is run by Skynet. This robot brought to you by
Tesla.
Skynet.
Well, you guys, if you are liking the content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm. I'm Gray Shot Down on the Sticks alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. This has been another aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.9 full self-driving software stack.
Parking lot's kind of full, so I might have to change where I normally park.
Just park to the left, maybe.
Where the teachers park.
Yeah.
Sounds good.